ducky moo moo. Ducky moo, ducky moo moo. Quack quack. Quack 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 quack. Oh my god, season 4 of the awesome cartoon! Forza! Hey, what you screaming about? Oh, hello. I am Joshua. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my god, I wanna eat this for the... Anyway, watch season 4. Ducky Momo, quack quack. Ducky Momo, quack quack. Oh, hello guys. GUIS, it's almost season 4. Okay, so we've been receiving negative comments. We've been receiving negative comments, and okay, I'm not in the mood to blackmail you or do anything or something because it's not at the something. It is gonna be deleted. Oh my god, I love you guys, and I'm so not in the mood to blackmail you, okay? So don't be scared if you post negative comments. But don't please put negative comments. Like this guy just commented me WTF XD. Okay, I don't know if you're joking or not. Okay, okay, bye.